You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie.
What's up you guys, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. Today I have a goodie bag from the kind folks at Veg Non Veg. But before we get into that, it appears to be tracksuit season because I got this tracksuit from the guys at Adidas. This is just a jacket though, not a tracksuit really. This from the new retro inspired vintage collection, so you can see the tape running through over here. It's like an anorak. And next up I have a proper tracksuit. Those are pants, and this again is an anorak or a quarter zipper. This is from the Reebok Classic Eric Emanuel Anand Ahuja capsule. And the number 3 there on the sleeve. Nice. It's kind of lightweight. So the tracksuit season out of the way, let's get into the sneaker. Right, got a less squeaky and shit. Now I can not move. Alright, now getting back into the goodie bag I got from the guys at Veg Non Veg. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you should. The link's in the description. I wrote this entire piece for Hypebeast about how the sneaker market is being shaped or developing in India. It's got lots of stats and facts and figures and numbers, also quotes from a few friends. So you should check out that article on Hypebeast and also follow me on Instagram. Why am I doing these hand movements? So anyway, to congratulate me on that piece, the guys at Veg Non Veg, so shout out to them. Also Anand Ahuja, sailing through a pair of Jordans. Alright, these are, like you can see from the box, and like you might know by now, Michigan 5s. In the meanwhile, if you guys are new to the channel, you must hit the subscribe button down there. And if you like sneakers, give this video a thumbs up. The thing about 5s is that I've never really been a huge fan of them. I think owing to the fact that they are so solid chunky, like super solid chunky. Super solid chunky. Anyway, look at the outsole. It's got this iced out finish, Jumpman logo there, Jordan branding right here. The materials on the Michigan 5s, though this is supposed to be a player exclusive. I'm sorry, I don't know like a lot of facts about the sneaker, but like what they did with the Katrinas, or the Katrina was not a player exclusive, whatever. Anyway, you got this nice new buck yellow upper. The materials just feel so premium. You have this plastic kind of cage right here, flat navy laces, yellow and navy is the primary color theme. You have the Jumpman logo right there, embroidered, and if you flip the tongue over, you have the words inspire. I'm not a big fan of Jordan 5s because to me they appear too chunky, because you see this cushioning kind of thing here, these huge swollen bits, and also the fact that the tongue is so humongous. I've never really thrown one on feet, so this is going to be the first time I'm going to be wearing a Michigan 5. This is going to be the first time I'm going to be wearing any 5 on my feet, so looking forward to it. But what really caught my attention with this specific sneaker, this specific 5, is the fact that the back has this label right there. You know, to me it looked like something that you'd see on the back of a jersey, but it says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever, and of course Team Jordan. I love the detailing on that. The outsole right there, icy with some navy. Look at the quality of the materials. You also have a lace lock of a translucent one. The one thing that I've been a huge fan of in the 5s is probably this detailing right here, because it reminded me of like a fighter jet or something, you know, visible air unit of course. But this sneaker overall quite high in quality. Also forgot to mention that the tongue has reflective hits, so maybe I should pop it with the flash. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, you see that? So you see actually the tongue is navy, but when you hit it with the flash, you can see the reflective hits right there. The entire tongue is made of reflective material. Oh, before I forget, look at that carbon fiber kind of a weave on the inner lining. The lining is like it's nylon or polyester. It's got this textured diamond kind of a finish, you know, that you can see on the inside of the tongue and on the lining. And of course, even the insole. That's crazy, man. They've really constructed this sneaker pretty well. I mean, it comes at a high price point as well. I think it was $225 or something like that. But then it's probably justified because of the kind of materials that they've used on this pair. I've rambled on enough about a sneaker that I know nothing about. Shout out to the guys at Veg Non Veg and Anand Ahuja for sending across this pair. I'm now gonna slip these bad boys on feet. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Everything about you. Everything about you.
Cheers, man. Last ride. Safe flight back. Safe flight, man. Bye.